Good day, everyone. Yesterday, Israel, with the blessing of the United States, started an attack on Iran and especially their nuclear facilities. And I will speak more on that a bit later. One thing that people need to understand is that this is Israel waging a proxy war for America against Iran. America was involved in supplying the weapons. They were involved in supplying the intelligence. They knew about the attack all along. And US President Donald Trump was basically taking the Western media for a ride when he said that he was against a strike like this, when he gave approval for it himself. People need to understand the bigger picture here. And I've spoken about the fact that the Third World War will be about Israel. It was planned a long time ago, before Israel was formed as a state. And if you go and watch my Moments in Time videos in the playlist on the channel Moments in Time, you will understand why this is happening. And a lot of people have seen Donald Trump as a savior, not only for America but for the world, when he is just a proxy for a committee of people that run the world to one end, to create a one world government. And I can repeat this over and over. You will see this playing out, and Donald Trump will act as their proxy. And you will see that the United States at this stage, even although on the campaign trail he was saying that he's the president of peace and many other things, the committee will have their way. And Donald Trump will follow their orders, and he will implement them, especially when it comes to Israel. And a lot of people might not understand why the US and the UK and many other countries will defend Israel to the death. It is a fairly complicated situation, which I've explained in detail in my Double O Days meetings, of which you can watch one on the highest membership level on this channel. But I have explained this in detail in face-to-face meetings with people, because there's a lot that one cannot just openly say in the public domain. But there is something that I will mention here, because I live in South Africa, and I'm deeply concerned with the fact that when we dismantled our nuclear weapons, and this is all about Iran getting a nuclear weapon, this is all about fissile material, in other words, enriching uranium to the point where it can be put in a bomb. South Africa still has about 300 kilograms of weapons grade uranium, so fully enriched, in storage. I hope that we still have it stored from our nuclear weapons program. So we dismantled our nuclear weapons, but we never gave up our fissile material. And this is what Iran is trying to get, is fissile material capable of having the critical mass to create the core that you can put in a nuclear gun type or whatever trigger type device that you can then use as a nuclear weapon. Now, there's been negotiations between Iran and South Africa, and rumors of the African National Congress actually getting funding from the Iranians to save their bacon when they ran out of funds before the elections. Heaven forbid they are making deals with the Iranians for that material. I just hope and pray that this is not the case, because the consequences for South Africa will be dire, and the United States will come down on us like a ton of bricks, and in a way that you won't be able to breathe. We will be smothered like you cannot believe. And I've said in the past that Barack Obama tried to convince President Jacob Zuma at the time to hand over that 300 kilograms of weapons grade uranium, and he refused. What is the state of our weapons grade uranium right now? And will the South African regime, or have they negotiated selling this to Tehran? And if this is the case, heaven help us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for those that have subscribed to this channel. If you have not yet, subscribe to this channel, where you're going to get information that you will find nowhere else. And I really want to thank the supporters on this channel and the members. Those of you that have become members on this channel, the 5 membership levels, those of you that are membership supporters, I want to thank you. I will keep on bringing you information that you will find nowhere else. Till the next video.